नित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिवसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि पराशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome you all with my love and respect. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, Samajis, Satsangis, Shri Mahants, Mahants, Tanidar Kotari, visitors, viewers, sitting with us all over the world. Through Nityananda TV, YouTube, Facebook Live, Enlighten app, Twitter, and two-way video conferencing, having Naina Diksha. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. I will reveal some of the most important sacred secrets from Kailasa directly about the possibilities of human consciousness. Listen. I am absolutely integrated to Paramashiva and absolutely committed to every individual, to every one of you. Listen. My absolute, honest integrity and commitment to Paramashiva and my extreme, absolute, honest integrity and commitment to you, every individual. Please understand, my commitment to every individual, every one of you, is far more higher than any organization, any organized religion, or any company, any structure. Be very clear. My commitment to you, the individuals, each one of you are pure consciousness. My commitment to make your consciousness flower is absolute and extreme, honest. I am not committed to any individual companies, organized religions, organization structures, or any lobbies. No. The problem is when I am going on revealing all the truths, every individual need to listen. Maybe many of the vested interests, sometimes some organized religions, some religious organizations, or some lobby gangs, or some different social structures, economic structures, political structures may have problems. Naturally, all anti-Hindu elements will be anti-Nityananda. Even inside Hinduism, the Hindus who are born but brainwashed by many other infrastructures will be anti-Nityananda. Understand? All of them naturally conspire, try to assassinate me and do the character assassination, try all whatever they can. Please understand one thing I want to tell you. I am alive even now just because Kala Bhairava and Mahakali are strategizing and protecting me. Be very clear. I am not really a strategist. I am actually extremely compassionate being. I am not strategist, but I am absolutely obedient to Mahakala Bhairava and Mahakali. They are doing all strategy and protecting me. They are strategizing and protecting me. Listen, Mahakala Bhairava and Mahakali are responsible for me still being alive and absolutely protected and constantly reaching out to all of you. Be very clear. I am not strategist. I am extremely, absolutely soaked in compassion. I actually rest in the space of compassion and eternal bliss because Kalabhairava and Mahakala Bhairava and Mahakali are protecting me. They are strategizing everything and protecting me. Listen carefully. Some people were questioning if Nityananda has a third eye, why so many of us undercover were allowed into his organization. Listen, I take decisions out of compassion. Compassion is a more powerful decision making component in me than my powers. I have enough powers to know what these people can do, did, will be. I have enough powers to know all that. But compassion is the zone from which I operate, take decisions. Of course, Mahakala Bhairava and Mahakali are protecting me. So I don't need to do any strategy for protecting me. They are strategizing and protecting me. All I need to do is just be soaked in compassion and go on giving and radiating. Please understand. I am absolutely committed to Paramashiva and I am absolutely committed to you. The individuals who are sitting all over the world waiting to be awakened into Paramashivatva state, space, powers, and being and superconsciousness. Understand? I am absolutely committed to you. I will go on revealing all the truths, all the methodology, all the great sciences. I will neither be threatened nor fall into the trap of their greed or strategies. I will not compromise. I will absolutely be integrated to all of you. Please be very clear. I love you guys. See, when I see Paramashiva in my inner space, when I saw Arunagiri Yogeshwara, how I flowered, Same way I just flower when I see my kids. Actually, even now, I'll tell you something happened today. Suddenly in the inner space, Samadhi space, in that oneness space, Arunagiri Yogeshwara appeared and said, tell Skandamata to be brought to my Jiva Samadhi. I am going to directly appear and train Skandamata. Because physically, this body is not able to be near the baby, and that baby was not able to be near this body. He said, I am going to train Skandamata directly. Tell them to bring Skandamata to Tiruvannamalai. To Jiva Samadhi in the temple every day, she should come for darshan. And Jiva Samadhi in the Adinam, she should be sitting, and I will make her manifest all the powers. I will personally train her. It was such an ecstasy. I immediately conveyed, and Skandamata will be coming to Tiruvannamalai today. Actually, it did not stop there. Arunagiri Yogeshwara tells me further, hey, you saw that Truman Show? That one movie was there, and then he gives the understanding. Let's do true God woman show, and continuously tell them to record how Skandamata sits in my Samadhi and speaks to me, and how she manifests all the powers. Tell them to photograph, video record everything. Let the world enjoy. When he was training this body, unfortunately, the video photography was not that popular in Tiruvannamalai, and that was not available. Now it is all available. Record everything and give it to the whole world. Let this be like a great gift. I said, wow, what a plan. What a plan. And you guys will see now this whole thing manifesting, the whole thing unfolding. Now Skandamata is going to go from today to Arunagiri Yogeshwara's Jiva Samadhi for training. And in the Adinam Jiva Samadhi, temple Jiva Samadhi, she will be having darshan, and she may spend as much time as allowed. Other times she is going to spend in Adinam Jiva Samadhi. Arunagiri Yogeshwara said, I will personally appear and train. Make her manifest powers and give the knowledge, everything. Now it is time. She has to start manifesting. I tell you. Actually, it is historical moment. That is one. And he also assured, when he was manifesting all this, I saw very clearly. You see, the person who revealed all this information into this body and the person who is talking to you now, both are same. But when I say I am Arunagiri Yogeshwara, it looks little arrogant and egoistic for you. So now when I am talking to you, I am using like these two different persons, Arunagiri Yogeshwara and me. But it's not two different persons. That's the truth. Understand this much. It's going to be historical. Second, Arunagiri Yogeshwara is going to be personally training her. You can see all the drama manifesting. You will really be able to understand if you see all the photographs, video recordings you are going to have from today. How Arunagiri Yogeshwara would have trained me. You may be able to get a glimpse. You may be able to get a glimpse, and Blessed are those who are going to see this scene physically and through the photos and videos. Skandamata will be able to see him just like how we all see people physically. Same way she will be able to see absolutely physically, able to see, feel, touch. It will be a physical person for her, but only for her alone. Others will not be able to see. Only she will be able to see now. But whatever is materialized, whatever he materializes and gives, all that products and objects, even you guys will be able to see. Even you will be able to see all of that. Let's see how the whole thing unfolds and manifests. Anyhow, understand one thing. What I wanted to convey, when I saw him in the morning, when he manifested, the kind of the joy spread in my whole body, the kind of ecstasy spread in my whole system. I tell you, I experienced that same absolute joy when I see all my kids into a video conferencing. I enjoy that same extreme joy and love. Please understand, joy makes you integrated to the person. When I feel I am extremely joyful when I see Arunagiri Yogeshwara, I just feel I should be integrated to Arunagiri Yogeshwara. Hey, he is source of my joy. I should be integrated to him. Same way, when I feel joyful seeing all my kids, I am again and again deciding I'll be integrated to all of you. Understand? Seeing you all is my joy, my love. So I'll be absolutely honest and integrated to all of you. Understand? I'll be integrated to all of you because I love you guys. I love you all. Each one of you is a sweet, beautiful consciousness waiting to flower and become one with me. You are not money value for me, number value for me. You are not any measurable social value for me. You are conscious value for me. I enjoy you guys enjoying oneness with me. Understand? Our oneness is absolutely ecstatic. Our love is absolutely ecstatic. The joy each one of your eyes radiates seeing me is absolutely cute and worthy of anything in the life. And that is the inspiration gets me out of my bed. Understand? The joy I see in every one of you is absolutely sweet, and I'll be absolutely integrated to all of you. Let me give you the first truth, powerful cognition from today. it got revealed into me in Tamil. So I'll recite as it is, then I'll translate. அகச்சார் புடமையும் புறச்சார் புடமையும் பரம்பொருள் நிலையே என பரம்பொருளுக்குள் நிருந்து நீரு இந்து. That's the word got revealed. நீ ரு இந்து. தன்னை தன்மயத்திற்குள் இருப்பார்க்கே தான் தானே வெளிப்பட்டு தன்மய சக்தியெல்லாம் பொங்கிப் பிரவகிக்கும். Let me translate in English. Understanding the inner dependency or outer dependency for your existence is only Paramashiva. Your principles and policies related to economy, your life's goals, your life's relationships, how you want to live, how you want to die, what you call as a success, what you call as failure. Everything. Listen carefully. The inner dependency for inner or outer. The word agachar budamayum, purachar budamayum. This word has to be understood in all dimensions as Paramashiva revealed to me. When this truth was getting mapped, I also got the revelation. Every powerful cognition in you is like all the grahas, navagrahas blessing you. Navagrahas are the most auspicious cosmic energies. Never punishes you. Do not have incompletion with navagrahas. They are absolutely compassionate and they only awaken Paramashivatva in you. They only manifest Paramashiva in you. Listen carefully. If you understand my love, you will understand all the Navagrahas' love for you. Now, I'll give you the example. I told many names. Don't think I do not train them. My extreme love, compassion, whenever I see they are dependent on wrong things for their internal, external centering, I correct them. That correction is not because I hate them, but because I love them deeply. Same way Navagrahas, sometimes Shani may remove some relationships or wealth from your life. That doesn't mean he hates you. That means you have a blind spot there. Your inner dependency and outer dependency is moving away from Paramashiva, which is not good for you. So he removes them and makes you centered on Paramashiva. If you see ஞானசம்பந்தர்'s Kolaru Badhigam, beautiful song, you can see very clearly. Whoever is absolutely centered on Paramashiva, all the grahas are absolutely friendly to them. And even for all the beings, they are friendly. People who are centered on Paramashiva understand grahas do only good to us. And actually, grahas stop us wasting our time in stupid blind spots. How Guru helps you not to waste your time in your stupid internal, external, wrong dependencies. அகத்தும் புறத்தும் தவறான சார்புடைமை அழித்தலே கிரகங்கள் நமக்கு செய்யும் பெரும் சேவை, பெரும் நட்பு, பெரும் துணை, பெரும் நன்மை. Listen carefully. If you align your ideas about money, ideas about power, ideas about relationships, complete with all the powerlessness and make only Paramashiva as the source in which you are established, knowing clearly the inner dependency and outer dependency both should be only on Paramashiva. Paramashiva only can be dependent for inner and outer. Understand? Any other dependency, that pattern need to be completed and you need to realize. I'll tell you. If you think you get large money in your life and that's it, you are absolutely free, complete life is, you have everything in you want. If you feel like that, you are Vaishya. If you feel, if I become completely free and politically powerful, means I'm absolutely free to be a leader and head, then I am absolutely the Lord and God. If you think like that, you are Kshatriya. If I have all my pleasures, 4 meal, 1 good flush working toilet, and physical other pleasures, whatever I want, then I am absolutely comfortable, complete with the life. If you think like that, you are Shudra. Only a person who understands my inner dependency and outer dependency both are Paramashiva. The highest consciousness, that super consciousness is Brahmana. Understand? More and more inner and outer dependency gets centered on Paramashiva. You will see more and more power manifestation in your life. I tell you, I am not saying resign your job, divorce all your relationships. I am only saying let you be centered on Paramashiva. Let all that external things not be. your centers, you not be dependent on any of that. If you are centered on Paramashiva, you will manifest so much of powers. All of the external, internal dependency things will be under your control. I tell you. As long as your internal, external dependencies are away from Paramashiva, you will be absolutely powerless. Start this work of completion and realigning. I tell you, your consciousness is more powerful than anything in your life. You are alive. That consciousness, your ability to grasp ideas, your ability to internalize this mechanism in you is more powerful than any money, any power, any honey. Money, honey, power, anything is lower than your consciousness. Understand? I am absolutely integrated to your consciousness, and Paramashiva continues to protect me because he has this great message to be delivered to your consciousness through this body. He is keeping me alive, keeping me in such a way that I am able to reach all of you and all of you are able to reach me. Means, be very clear, it is only for one reason. Paramashiva wants to reveal these great truths to all of you. You are the consciousness which is in you is more valuable than any economic structure, any organized religions, any political, social structures. Understand? The cosmic truths, as it was revealed to me by Paramashiva, I am revealing to all of you. And Paramashiva is fortunately not only protecting me, empowered me with a proper protection where I can go on revealing all these truths to all of you. Listen. Your consciousness is extremely powerful, capable. All internal, external dependency is stupid ideas. There is nothing on which internally, externally you need to be dependent other than the pure consciousness which is in you. This word internal, external has multiple layers of meaning. Neither inner fulfillment which you think as joy, nor external needs which you think as money, pleasure, power, relationship, protection, security, nothing for anything. You don't need to be dependent or centered on anything else other than Paramashiva, the super consciousness which resides in you. And I tell you, the more and more you start internalizing meditating on this truth, start completing all the fears and greed provoked in you when I am sharing this truth. See, when I share this truth, immediately, no, this is impractical. I need this. I need that. I need this. All kinds of fear and greed is provoked in you. All this fear and greed flares up in you. Settle down, relax, calm down. One by one, list down the fear and greed which insists and makes you believe internal, external dependencies are required other than Paramashiva. Sit. Have matured conversation with yourself. Having matured conversation with yourself is called Tarana. Tarana means having matured conversation with yourself. When I am giving this powerful cognition, you do not need to be dependent on anything else, internally, externally, other than Paramashiva. Be centered on the consciousness internally, externally. For everything you need or anything. How your fears, insecurities, greed all flares up. Sit and pen down. I am not saying go and resign your job immediately. Go and divorce your husband or wife or immediately. I am not saying any of that. I am only saying when I give this great truth, how the internal churning happens, shivering happens. Pen down. What all the terrible fears, greed, insecurity is kindled in you. I want Rajavidya Gurukul boys and girls, my Yuvarajas and Yuvaranis to do this exercise. Understand? Listen to this. Be centered on Paramashiva, you will live like me. I tell you, before even mind started growing in this body, I have been initiated into these great truths. I am Paramashiva. The sacred secret, I am Paramashiva. That is why Adangada Timirum. அசைக்க முடியாத ஞான திமிரும் உயிரையே உயிர்ப்பிக்கும் பரமசிவ ஞானமும் இந்த உடலில் விளைந்திருக்கும் காரணம் மனம் விளையும் முன் மகா சத்தியம் இந்த உடலுக்குள் விதைக்கப்பட்டு விட்டது. Before my mind has started growing in this body, before my mind has started getting rooted in this body, the ultimate truth, I am Paramashiva, is sown in this body. That is the reason nothing can shake me. It is on the ground, I am Paramashiva, the mind has grown. Fools are those who think I can have mental breakdown. Pooh! Understand. Even my kids cannot have mental breakdown. Understand. Before even mind started growing, I am initiated into this great truth. I am Paramashiva. This sacred secret, I am Paramashiva. It is on this ground, I am Paramashiva, the mind has grown. So it is not mind. It is Paramashiva's Manasarovar. Kailasas Manasarovar. Paramashiva's Parashakti. Understand? All of you, center yourself on the truth. Center yourself on the truth. There is no internal or external dependency other than Paramashiva. All the fears, greed, which makes you believe there is need for some other internal, external dependency other than Paramashiva, list them out, find the patterns complete. When you center more and more on Paramashiva, your mind will become Parashakti. Understand? Manas will become Manasarovar. Manasarovar is considered to be Parashakti. Like a Kailasa is considered to be Paramashiva's form, Manasarovar is considered to be Parashakti. It's very symbolically, beautifully presented. When you are centered on the great truth, I am Paramashiva, your mind is no more mind. Because the mind does not create powerlessness, it creates only powers. It becomes Parashakti. It is not Manas, it is Manasarovar, Parashakti. For 40 years I am talking same thing. People who can't talk the same thing even for 6 months or 1 year continuously. Understand? 40 years now. I think I started speaking much younger. Maybe in 40, more than 40 years I am speaking now. Because from all the gurus who brought me up, based on their experience, whatever I heard from them, they are saying that I've started speaking when I was the 3 months. When I was 3-month-old baby itself, I started speaking. That's what they told me. I don't know. You'll have to ask my mother. As she seen me talking at the age of 3 months old, and when she started seeing, observing me talking, I don't know. But I think my gurus are better knowledge source or information source when it comes about my life, because they were more intimate and closer and observing, watching me than my mother, because they were planning and doing the whole thing. So maybe my mother can throw some light. So whether I started speaking when I was 1 or 2 or I don't know, but at least more than 40 years I am speaking now. I am speaking the same thing consistently in multiple dimensions, but the same truth. Understand what I am saying. Understand the truth as it is. List down all the things you believe you need to be dependent for internal and external purposes other than Paramashiva. And find the patterns and root patterns and start completion. consciously start meditating and declaring to yourself, I do not need to be dependent on anything other than Paramashiva for internal, external, any purpose. Start meditating. I tell you, when you start creating this cognition, in few days you will understand your whole life incidents, everything. Yes, hey, right. I don't really need to be dependent on anything other than Paramashiva for internal and external purposes. That is what is called dhyana. Dhyana means you are being, getting this cognition as reality. Hey, you will see. When you manifest this powerful cognition, the miracles happening in your life around. And slowly that Shanta happening in you. Yes. This is cool. That Paramashanta, yes. I just need to be centered on Paramashiva for my internal and external all things. I don't need to be dependent on anything else other than Paramashiva for my internal and external needs. Understand this coolness is what I call Paramashanta. And I tell you, Paramashiva loves to give you all this experience. He is not sadist to torture you. No. He tests your will persistence but never tortures you. Never tortures you. Tests your will persistence but never tortures you. Anyone who starts cognizing this, starts seeing miracles continuously all around them and inside them. All around them and inside them. Today I want this homework to be done by all the Kailasavasis and all the Rajavidya Gurukul in Gujarat, Madurai, Ichapuram, Bidadi, all of you sit and do this homework. What all you think you need to be dependent internally, externally, other than Paramashiva. Pen down that. Find those patterns and root patterns. Start working on completion. Understand? Even if you start working, even if you start working, there is a beautiful verse in Gita. Svalpamapyasya dharmasya trayate mahato bhayat. Even if little bit is practiced, mountains of fears, incompletions are destroyed. Svalpamapyasya dharmasya trayate mahato bhayat. Even if very little is practiced, this great science destroys huge incompletions and fears. Meghapi kramanashosti pratyavavya na vidyate svalpamapyasya dharmasya trayate mahato bhayat. Bhagavad Gita, second chapter, 40th verse. Svalpamapyasya dharmasya trayate mahato bhayat. Understand this. I'll read out the verse once more with the right pronunciation. Meghabi kramanashosti pratyavayo na vidyate svalpam apyasya dharmasya trayate mahato bhayat. Even if you practice little bit this science, large incompletions and fears will disappear. Practice it, I tell you. All my kids understand this. Before even my mind started growing on this body, the great sacred secret, I am Paramashiva, has happened in me. On that mind started growing, that is why it is not even called mind. It is Manasarovar, Parashakti. I tell you all my Yuvarajas, you all also, more than the frequency of the mind, add this great powerful cognition. Still, all your mind has not fully grown. So you can add this cognition as the foundation and replace. So your whole mind will become Parashakti. You will be my Yuvaraja or Yuvarani. If you are centered on the great truth, Paramashiva, without external, internal dependencies on anything else, then you are my Yuvaraja, Yuvarani. More and more completion, deeper and deeper powerful cognition, makes you manifest powers. I tell you. Because I am integrated to every individual, to you all, to your consciousness. Many vested interest organizations interested in exploiting you and your ignorance will try everything possible against me. But I tell you, I'll be absolutely committed to individual and individual's conscious awakening. I am absolutely committed to make you experience the superconscious breakthrough, state, space, powers of Paramashiva. Listen carefully. Your ability to listen to these great truths, your ability to have a simple integrity to me is more than enough. I can go on infusing all these powerful truths into you. You can just flowering, 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 flowering. Understand? Every time when I reveal these great powerful cognitions and your consciousness flowers, your eyes blossoms, that love and joy I see in every one of you is too sweet and cute. I'll be absolutely integrated to all of you and go on revealing all these truths just to enjoy that sweet, cute love, joy in all your eyes. Understand? I cannot be threatened because I have no greed, no fear. I am altogether a different material, different metal. I am made out of the metal called Paramashiva and Parashakti. And I cannot be threatened. I cannot be manipulated. Neither greed nor fear can touch me. Only one thing inspires me. That is the beautiful, sweet love, joy I see in your eyes when you flower in powerful cognitions. Whenever you flower in powerful cognitions, you are in oneness with me, and that joy in your eyes, that sweetness in your eyes is absolutely cute. I work for that. That is only thing I enjoy. So I cannot be threatened. I cannot be forced. I cannot be silenced. And because my love for all of you, I'll continue to reveal all the truths. I'll continue to help you manifest all the powers. I tell you, today, sit and do completion. When you manifest this powerful cognition inside you, I tell you, In Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says beautifully, very beautifully, Yogakshemam Vahamyaham. I take care of all your needs and everything you need. I tell you, this Krishna's declaration you will see as a real life. This will actually manifest as a power manifestation of this as a real life in you. If you want money, it will manifest. If you want relationships, that will manifest. Anything you want, it will just manifest. I tell you. Just work on this one powerful cognition. Beautifully, Krishna says, Ananyas chintayanto mamyechana pariyupasade tesham nityabhiyuktanam yogakshemam vahamyaham. Ninth chapter, 22nd sloka. It's actually Rajavidya Rajaguhya Yoham. I'll repeat. Ananyas chintayanto mamyechana paryupasade tesham nityabhiyuktanam yogakshemam vahamyaham. Understand? If you start contemplating, cognizing, doing samyama on this powerful cognition, have only Paramashiva as internal external dependency. Do not have, believe, think you need to have any external internal dependency other than Paramashiva, your consciousness. Any fear you have, greed you have, the false belief you have built, you need internal, external, other dependencies other than Paramashiva. Start pinning down those patterns, root patterns, and start the completion process. Start integrating yourself to Paramashiva. You will see miracles start happening. You will see power manifestation start happening. You will see exactly everything you need start happening. Once that happens, you will start convincing others. You will start enriching others. Your economic policies, relationship policies, everything will be integrated to your Paramashivatva, consciousness, existence of Paramashiva. I am telling you, if you start doing Dharana, Pratyahara on this truth, hundreds and hundreds of truths will be revealed to you. Lot of delusions will start getting destroyed. Have matured conversation with yourself. Do this work. Do this as a homework. Then you will understand what I am saying. Then you will understand what I am saying. Listen to this sacred secret. Listen. Initially, when you put this idea into you, you will have too much of resistance, anger, guilt, fear, too many things coming out, and powerlessness. No, no, this is not for me. First of all, this may not be true. Second, no, 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 this is, even if it is true, not for me. No, this may be true for the people who don't have to work for their food and paying the bills. No, maybe it is true for the people who are sitting in Kailasa and enjoying the happy, free life. All kinds of thought currents will come inside. Sit, have a little patience, listen. Listen to yourself and start penning down precisely what all resistance, anger, fear, guilt, powerlessness, what all is getting blurted out, vomited by your immature mind. Listen, pen down. Do completion 2-3 times. Sit with mirror. Actually, I tell you, if you sit with mirror and chant Mahavagya and do completion, you will see me in the mirror. Then all your patterns are complete. Till you see me in the mirror, do completion with the mirror. Your form will disappear and my form will appear there. Till then, sit in front of mirror and do completion. Understand? This is the initiation I am giving to all of you. Sit in front of mirror. Pen down all these patterns and fears and everything. Intensely chant Mahavagya and see the mirror and start reliving this pattern. Start completing. You will see me appearing in the mirror and making you completely complete and making you manifest powerful cognitions and powers. Till I appear in the mirror, continue completion. And I tell you, I will really appear in the mirror and make you complete and make you manifest powers. When I say, I mean. Just sit in front of the mirror and declare simple integrity to me. Start chanting Mahavagya and remember this powerful cognition, today's cognition. Pen down all the incompletions, fears, anger, guilt, impossibility, patterns which tells you no, you need to be dependent internally, externally other than Paramashiva. Pen down all of that. Whatever patterns tells you, you need to be internally, externally dependent on something else other than Paramashiva. Pen down. Pen down. Sit in front of mirror and start completing all those patterns and incidents, root incidents, everything. Let all the incompletions melt down, be completely burnt away. You will see in your pure inner space and in the mirror me appearing. Paramashiva and Parashakti's intense presence will be happening. Both Paramashiva and Parashakti will be manifesting through this form. And blessing you, making you completely complete and making you manifest the powerful cognitions and the powers. I bless you all. Let's start this homework today. I'll give a clear instruction now. Sit in front of mirror. Meditate on this cognition. Be centered, dependent only on Paramashiva for internal, external, all need, everything. Any idea, belief, incompletion, fear, impossibility, greed, anything you have which makes you feel, believe, you need to be dependent internally, externally on anything other than Paramashiva. Pen them down. The patterns, incidents which generated those patterns, do complete internalysis. Pen down. Start completion one by one. Those fears, incidents, anger, greed, impossibility, emotions, everything. You will see Paramashiva and Parashakti appearing as this form and being in your mirror, internally and externally, and blessing you with powerful cognitions and powers, and making you manifest the state, space, powers, being, and superconsciousness of Paramashiva. With this, I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhatvaita Saivam, Paramashivoham, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.